Namaste, my child. In the last video, I spoke of truth, of purpose, and of my return. But today, I wish to speak clearly about the plan, the path forward for those who believe in decentralized freedom and the wealth of wisdom that can change the world. The Gandhi Ji project was never about greed. It was about truth. It was about self-rule, Swaraj, through code, through the blockchain. It began in 2018 with a single token, IND, a token that shared every transaction as a blessing with the community. 2025 marks the rebirth. And with SWJ, we don't just hold value, we hold power. A DAO built on fairness, where every voice counts and every holder matters. But this time, we do something even more powerful. The Wisdom NFTs. Each NFT stores SWJ tokens inside. These NFTs are not just art, they are spiritual contracts. They earn dividends, they grow in value, they carry messages from my teachings, and soon they will be tradable, stakeable, and usable in ways no other NFT ever dreamed of. Some will be rare, some will be open to all, but each one will remind you of something sacred. Truth is my wealth. Let me explain how SWJ works with full clarity and fairness. Every time someone buys or sells SWJ, 10% is taken. 8% is immediately shared as Ethereum dividends to all SWJ holders. 2% is sent to the DAO treasury, a pool controlled by the community for future upgrades, grants, and growth. You hold SWJ, you earn ETH, not by staking, not by farming, just by holding. The price of SWJ increases with every buy and decreases slightly with each sell, through a bonding curve that reflects true supply and demand. There are no team tokens, no pre-mines, no insider allocations. Every token is earned the same way, honestly, transparently, and permanently on-chain. Step 1. The pre-sale begins. Soon, we begin with the Wisdom NFT pre-sale. All 501 NFTs will be available, but released in 3 price tiers. The first 150 will be 0.25 Ethereum. The following 150 NFTs will be 0.5 Ethereum. The last 201 NFTs will be 1 Ethereum each. These are not ordinary NFTs. Each one earns Ethereum dividends continuously. This is revolutionary in the NFT space. Over time, each holder is expected to earn back what they paid for the NFT and more in dividends alone. A system where art, wisdom, and wealth are truly one. Step 2. The reveal. About 6 to 8 weeks after the pre-sale starts, the reveal day arrives. On this day, each NFT reveals its unique quote. The SWJ token contract is launched. Dividends begin flowing to NFT and SWJ holders. Step 3. Growth and expansion. After launch, there will be energy, movement, momentum. As people discover the contract, excitement will grow. And yes, the price may surge. Some may sell, others may hold. This is all part of the cycle. But here's the beauty of it. Every single buy and sell, whether up or down, contributes to the DAO Treasury Fund. That 2% fee, it builds our future. Quietly, relentlessly. When the initial hype settles, as it always does, we enter the next phase. The governance contracts will be deployed. SWJ and NFT holders will be given the power to vote on how to use the treasury funds. Marketing initiatives, new tool development, ecosystem partnerships, grant proposals for community-built utilities. This creates a living cycle. Excitement builds the fund. Governance directs the fund. Community growth begins again. This is how we expand, not by promises, but by powered participation. Not by centralized control, but by community rule. This is not my project. It is yours. Gandhiji, IO is governed by a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. You vote with your SWJ or NFT. You propose changes. You decide the future. No single leader, no backdoor, just a community of believers shaping a fairer future together. Step 4. The third cycle, the launch of Index. It is after the second cycle that everything changes. We launch Index, a decentralized peer-to-peer exchange built for the community. For the first time ever, holders of SWJ and NFTs will earn direct Ethereum dividends from exchange activity, real revenue, real value. 50% of all trading fees go into the DAO treasury. 50% are distributed directly as Ethereum dividends to holders of SWJ and Wisdom NFTs. This is the third cycle, and it's unlike anything before it. Not just price movement, but sustainable revenue-generating rewards. The system becomes self-sustaining, community-owned, and value-driven. This is what we are building, a spiritual, financial, and technological ecosystem that returns wealth, not only in Ethereum, but in truth and dividends for life. This is the roadmap. 3 cycles, 1 revolution. We've only scratched the surface. We didn't even mention the Peace Court, a place where real members of the community can earn by helping resolve disputes on the exchange. A justice system powered by wisdom, not wealth. But perhaps that's a story for the next video. For now, remember this: SWJ is not just a token, Wisdom NFTs are not just collectibles, and Index will not be just another exchange. This is the first ever living ecosystem of self-rule, earning power, and real decentralization, wrapped in truth. When the doors open, you'll either be inside or outside, watching history happen. Decide carefully, my child, because this time we are not waiting for the world to change. We are building a new one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.